Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my Plan With Me Sunday video. On Thursday night I started to get really sick, so that's why if you guys follow my Instagram, I didn't upload on Friday and instead I uploaded on Saturday. I found a little bit of energy to edit my videos, but I got sick again last night. I was doing okay, and then I started to get really sick. I got a little bit of fever again, and this time I got like a runny nose and a sore throat, kind of flu-like symptoms. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I'm gonna be doing today, and then I'm gonna kind of just do music in the background just because I sound really stuffy and it's gross and I don't want you guys to be like, ugh. So yeah, and then I'll stop in between to explain a little bit, and then at the end I'll explain a little bit more. Alright, so as you guys know, I do have two planners. I have my Clever Fox Premium Weekly Planner. I love this planner. It's been working so far for me, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I've gotten so many new subscribers in the last few days. It's truly awesome. So welcome to my channel. This is my monthly layout. Here is this week's spread that I did, and then I did start doing like some video ideas, and then I started my little section for my customer info. In case you guys don't know, I do sell planners and all kinds of other goodies, but this is my New Year's layout and I love it. And this time I'm going to be using the LOL book. I love this book, and I thought the colors were definitely perfect for like a winter vibe, so I'm going to be using that. I pulled out a couple of stickers that I want to use. These like little social media stickers, the cameras, the Happy Mail, and then the purple date covers, which will also apply to my Walmart TN. And I've been so excited because I've actually been using my planners this week, and I've been staying on top of it, and I've been having so much fun with them. Here are the washes that I'm going to be using for my LOL spreads. And then here is my Walmart Traveler's Notebook. In case you guys don't know, Maritza, one of my subscribers, sent it to me, and I thought I would put it to use because I love it so much. I've been carrying it with me in my bag, and I've just been, you know, using it religiously, and I love it. I'm going to take out my, I use my Starbucks gift card for a washi cutter, but my setup is using the November Planner Society Kit. And we should be getting our January pretty soon, and I love it. This is my New Year's spread. It's so cute. I love the way it came out. I did a little recipe for some pina coladas that I did over the weekend. And then, let's see what else. Here's my notes. I was working on it yesterday. I added things that I want to buy for my home. A recipe of sopa de fideo. My mom told me to make some so that, you know, to help soothe my throat. And I made some and it came out so good. My boyfriend loved it. And then here I have all of like my bills and stuff that I'm trying to keep track of. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Luckily for my stickers, I'm going to be using this sticker book from Walmart that Marisa also sent me a while back. I love it. I'm keeping with the same color tones of the LOL. And then just a couple of stickers that I'll be using as well. But here are the washi tapes. So cute. And then my Arteza pens. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and move into my new week spread. I'm going to take this clip out so it doesn't get in my way. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started. so those are just a few things that I wrote in that I want to remember right away. So I'm going to leave it at that. It came out so pretty. I love it. That's it for that one. Now we're going to go ahead and do my spread in here. I'm going to take out carefully so I can leave my sticky note in there. Alright you guys, and that is my spread for my traveler's notebook. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. And I did end up incorporating 2 of the LOL stickers. I thought it came out really cute. I thought it was the perfect color combination. I'm going to go ahead and write a few things and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, and there you have it. Those are my spreads for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little bit different. I'm not as active as I normally am, and again, it's just because I'm sick. So hopefully next week I'm feeling a lot more better. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!